Who determines credit and interest rates for borrowers? Breaking news in the world of finance. Many young people are asking, who really decides the credit and interest rates that borrowers face? This question is more relevant than ever as interest rates fluctuate. If you are curious about how these rates impact your ability to borrow money, stay tuned as we break it down. Credit and interest rates are influenced by several key factors. First, lenders such as banks and credit unions set the interest rates they offer. They assess how risky it is to lend to a specific individual. If you have a high credit score, lenders view you as less risky and usually offer lower interest rates. On the flip side, a low credit score or unpaid debts can lead to higher interest rates. Your credit score is a major factor in this process. It reflects your history of borrowing and repayment. Lenders also look at your debt ratios, which include the gross debt service ratio and the total debt service ratio. These ratios show how much of your income goes toward paying off debts. If these ratios are high, lenders may charge higher interest rates or even deny your loan application. But that is not all. Economic policies also play a significant role. In the United States, the Federal Reserve's Board of Governors and the Federal Open Market Committee determine key interest rates. These rates impact the overall cost of borrowing across the economy. When the Federal Reserve raises rates to combat inflation, borrowing costs typically increase. Conversely, when they lower rates to encourage spending, borrowing costs usually decrease. Other factors that lenders consider include your income compared to the size of the loan, your employment stability, and the amount of your down payment. These elements help lenders assess your ability to repay the loan. In summary, credit and interest rates are determined by a mix of lender assessments, individual borrower risk, and broader economic policies. Understanding these factors can help you navigate the borrowing landscape more effectively.